What is good, y'all boys? Hit a little banger this morning. I'm up around 2.4K, chat. So here's what happened. Let's do a little rundown. Let me clear some of this out so it looks a little bit cleaner. We had Trump speaking this morning. He's still speaking right now. He's answering questions post speech. So that was something to monitor this morning. Pending home sales just came out, so we'll see how that affects the market. Maybe it'll cause a little mini reversal and maybe give you a second entry filling these 5-minute gaps, but we'll see. What did I take this morning? I took some longs off of this 15-minute gap here. All right, so price, obviously I want to see higher price action because we have so many equal highs here with the new week opening gap. So obviously I want to see some bullish price action, and perfectly overnight session we come and I marked out this 4-hour gap that I was wanting to see, maybe see a reaction off of, and also these lows I had marked out, and perfectly we come in overnight. We come in, tap it, blah blah blah. Obviously it's pre-market, so it's gonna be a little bit choppy, and then as soon as 8:30 hits and the market starts moving, we do get a huge reaction up, and we shift market structure on the 15-minute, which is pretty bullish for me. And then obviously I marked out the 15-minute gap here. We did sweep London highs here, so I wanted to see a very very clear manipulation with an SMT, which we did get. So we come in, obviously we come in, boom boom boom, manipulate these lows, and then we inverse this 1-minute gap here. I'll delete this so it's not clouding, or you know what I mean. All right, so obviously we come in, inverse this gap, I enter here. As you can see, I put my entry somewhere around here. I got filled 196, so a little bit of a bad fill, but it's whatever. 196.50, boom, right there. My stop was below the body of these candles here, and then I'm going break even at this recent high, and I was targeting this 1-hour gap here. There was a 1-hour gap that we left from yesterday, so yeah, I was targeting that. And then if I did want to hold, I would want to target AM and PM session highs here, which is right around here somewhere. So it's AM highs from yesterday's trading day. So yeah, it's pretty simple. As soon as we took this high, I'm going break even, which we did get, and then obviously taking risk off. Only 2 micros, don't gotta do anything too complicated. The market's pretty volatile right now, obviously because Trump is speaking. So yeah, don't want to over risk, don't want to jump the gun, and yeah, you feel me? It was a good trade. It was perfect execution, perfect patience. Obviously we'll see if this wants to run all the way to these equal highs here, but yeah, pretty good trade, pretty decent day. I was in a little bit of drawdown from yesterday on these accounts, but obviously we made that back today, and yeah, I'm cooking, man. I'm cooking, and I still got that back testing video I'm gonna do, so I'll probably just add that into this video. So we'll see. I'll see what I do, but yeah, it's not that much to it, man. Like, really, just patience and execution and discipline. Like, what more can you really do as a trader? It's really just seeing the same things over and over again and executing the same way you do. Make sure you have a proven strategy, and yeah, can't complain at all. Can't complain at all. So yeah, we'll see what the market wants to do. I doubt I take any trades again. I do have my alpha accounts that are in drawdown. Those accounts are in drawdown, so we'll be having a lock in on those accounts pretty soon. But I do want to secure this payout first. I think I need like 3 more winning days or something like that, so nothing too crazy. Could get that in like maybe a week or 2, hopefully a week, but we'll see. Still got, today is Wednesday, so we got Thursday, Friday, and then obviously next week. This week was a short week with Martin Luther King's Day. So, you know, can't really complain there. You do what you do, or you do what you can do with the short week. I guess I could review the loss I took yesterday. Yeah, not a great loss. I'm not gonna lie. I just got chopped up. Got chopped up completely. This is just, the whole range is just dookie butt, boy, on me. But what did I take yesterday, bro? I don't even remember. Like, this is how you know it was a bad loss when I don't remember what I took. Because why was I shorting? Was I longing? Did I short? I don't even remember, bro. Like, okay, it was a long. It was a short. It was a short. It was a short. It was a short. So we did sweep London. I remember now. Okay, I remember now. We swept London. I wanted initially bullet or bearish because of how bearish we were overnight, but obviously looking back at it now, just because of how bearish we were overnight, obviously AM sessions should have been a little bit more bullish going into the day. I probably shouldn't have even taken a trade today, or yesterday, but you know, things happen and you learn from it, you journal it, and you learn from the mistakes. So this is what I took. I obviously should not have taken this, like looking back at it. I took this 1 minute inversion. I literally bottom blasted the shit out of this. Excuse my language. I probably have my stop right here. And then I was targeting, what was I targeting? These lows here. Yeah, I was targeting like these lows. Break even around here. I'm not gonna lie, that was not a good trade at all. Yeah, it just wasn't a good trade. Obviously, I recognize it now. Like, the fact that we didn't close this inverse after these 3 candles should have been an indicator. Like, we're not gonna go anywhere, we're gonna chop. But, you know, I just, you know, got a little impatient. You know, I journaled it. I, you know, reflected on it. And we came back the next day and took a dub, you feel me? So, it's all about learning. It's all about discipline. It's all about improving. It's all about learning from mistakes and not repeating them. So, yeah, that's not a mistake I want to repeat again. We're gonna see if we sell off here again. Take a little fibby. See where we want to retrace to. See if we want to get this 5-minute gap, which would be the best RR for us. For me, I don't like targeting these like big imbalances like that. Simply for the fact that you just have to hold them a lot longer. I'd rather just catch, you know, the quick move, the quick retracement, quick move up, just because they deliver the fastest. And obviously, when price delivers faster and chops less, obviously it's gonna have a big impact on your psychology. You know, just seeing price move in your favor as soon as you enter. You know, that's a big thing for me. As soon as I enter, I want to see price move instantly, go break even, take risk off. But if I enter and price, you know, just chopping around, maybe I'm in drawdown, maybe I'm in profit, maybe I'm in drawdown, that's just not ideal because the price isn't delivering as soon as I entered. Because, you know, inverse fair value gaps are a momentum based model. Like, you want to get the momentum quick. You know, you get a fair value gap, you get an inverse, boom, you enter, momentum runs quick. You know, that's exactly what happens here. So, you know, that's what I want to see. And if we get some chop like we did yesterday, I probably shouldn't be in the market, or I'm in the market when I shouldn't be. So yeah, at around 9 minutes, I wanted to cut the video at 4 minutes, but I felt like it was too short. I need that watch time, you feel me? I'm trying to get monetized. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all drop a subscription. Just drop a sub, it's free. Drop a like, it's free. Drop a comment, it's free. If y'all want to join the Discord, link in the bio, or sorry, link in the description. And yeah, catch y'all on the next video. 2026, I'm going crazy.